How would you most concisely state the problem that you're solving?
People want to move at the speed of business, and networking was becoming a hindrance. You could utilize compute and storage as a service, but you could not utilize networking as a service, even though you were building networks in the cloud to a certain extent, right? All the other technologies were overlay technologies which were built in a very traditional manner so
Hmm.
that you can deploy node after node after node in every VPC, every, VNet, and on premise, and stitch everything together, and perhaps the control plane was sitting in the cloud. What we decided to do was to put everything in the cloud: control, management, orchestration, data plane. It's a full on solution for the first time, which is sitting completely inside the cloud. And that's a very different way of doing things. So it solves your complexity problem, it solves your scale problem. You don't have to worry about, oh, what next router do I buy? When do I run out of bandwidth capacity, as an example? We can horizontally scale the solution because there's enormous amount of resources in the clouds. So we built the solution in a way that it was very elastic, very secure, very scalable, and it was global in nature, right? And it was very, very simple. And simplicity goes against all of that, right? Because when you're solving for scale and security and connectivity and everything, there is a tendency for people to build a very complicated solution. And our focus was ultra simplicity, right? And that's what you will see when the customers come in to try our environment for the first time.